Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to build a meeting notes database in Notion so your meetings become more productive, organized, and actionable. Instead of leaving meetings unsure of next steps, you can capture all key takeaways, assign tasks, and track decisions in one place. Start by creating a new database. Go to your Notion workspace, create a new page, and select Table or Database. This database will store all your meeting notes as individual pages, letting you track each meeting separately while keeping everything organized. Next, add properties to your database to capture essential details like the date of the meeting, the attendees, the objective, previous meeting recaps, questions and answers, great ideas, and next steps or action items. These fields will help ensure nothing important is missed and all responsibilities are clearly documented. Once your database is set up, you can create a template for new meeting notes. Click New in your database, then choose Template. Add default sections for objective, notes, action items, and questions. This ensures consistency across all meetings and saves time every time you hold a session. During the meeting, fill out the sections in real time or assign a dedicated note taker. Make sure to capture all action items and responsible team members so follow-ups are clear. After the meeting, tidy your notes, add highlights or bullet points for clarity, and link any relevant files or documents mentioned. You can also use Notion AI to summarize your notes automatically and even create action items for team members. This is especially useful for long meetings or recurring project updates. Finally, share the database with your team so everyone has access. Use different views like calendar or board to track meetings over time, monitor deadlines, and quickly review action items. This centralizes communication, prevents tasks from being lost, and keeps everyone aligned. With this setup, your meetings will become much more organized, actionable, and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Notion productivity tips and templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Notion productivity tutorials.